Hello, this is Bill with Money for Coffee. Today I'm going to show you how to create a list on GetResponse. So if you don't have GetResponse, it's totally free. Just click on the link below this video. You don't need any kind of payment or PayPal or anything like that. And you get 500 contacts, and you can build, I think you get one landing page, one website, and I'm not sure how many lists they give you with a free account. But if you need more, you can always upgrade. And also in the beginning, you get a free trial, so you get to try all the more advanced paid features. But like I said, I'll have a link right below this video. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to log in. So this is how to create a list on GetResponse. So it'll just take you to this page, the dashboard. So once you're here, and they change this around a little bit, so that's why I made this video too, because I noticed it's different than it used to be. Okay, so you'll come onto the dashboard, and you just come up here and click Contacts. Just click on it. Okay, then it brings you to this page, and then and it'll always give you a default list when you first sign up. So just go to, if you want to create a new list, just go to over here and go to Create List. Just click on that. Okay, then you need to name it, and you can name this anything you want. And then click Create. Okay, now here's the list that we just made. So then you just kind of go on it, and then go to the right, and there's those three little dots, and then you click on Settings, and you can also make it your default list if you like, but we'll just go to Settings. Okay, and then once you're on Settings, you can we already have our list named. You can put a list title if you want to put something else, and then a list description. Okay, I think you have to have, we'll just copy that, and we'll just use the same, but you can put whatever you like in here. And then you pick your category, just whatever it happens to be. I'll just pick internet marketing. And then you can use a logo. So we'll just select the logo. Okay, we'll click on the logo. Okay, now we have a logo in there. And then you can put a link to your website if you want, so that way it'll link to the logo. So we'll just add that in, and then you hit Save General Settings at the bottom. Make sure you remember to do that. Okay, next will come to List Settings, will come the subscription. Okay, you have the option if you want to use require additional confirmation, double opt-in. Most marketers that I talk to don't use that, but that's up to you. So if you want to use it, they say, I mean, it's a proven fact that if you use it, a lot of people will never confirm the double opt-in, so you'll lose some subscribers. But on the other hand, people say, you'll get more, it'll be a better quality of subscribers. It's people that really want to be on your list. But a lot of people I know, even like myself, you just forget to go and confirm that. So I personally I always leave it off, but I guess it's totally up to you. So if you want to turn it on, you just turn it on here. And one's for web subscriptions, and the other is API. If you have GetResponse integrated with like WordPress or, okay, so then if you turn it on, also I forgot to mention, send subscription notifications. So what they'll do if you have that selected, I leave that off as well, but if you have that on, what they'll do is every time somebody subscribes, they'll send you an email. I mean, I know like different times when I sold different products, I mean, you're just getting email, and it starts driving you crazy. So I just leave that off, but that's up to you. And then if you do require double opt-in, then you have to go to confirmation message, and you can leave it in HTML or plain text. And also the subject line, you could say something else like your confirmation is required. I like this one. Verify your request for information, and then you just get down here. It'll have who it's from when you entered your email when you first signed up. I guess you can always change that as well. And then the body template, and then just here's what this message will look like. And it puts this in the default, but you can also add something up here if you'd like, and then they just click on this. Yes, I want to subscribe. So that's pretty much it. If you want to use the confirmation, like I said, you don't have to even use this. I don't. If you go back to subscription and just turn this off, then that way a double opt-in isn't required. So this way, if you have the opt-in page, they'll sign up, and that's it. They're on your list. They don't have to confirm through the double opt-in through the message in their email, which a lot of people, I know, like my one email account, I get probably 100 emails a day, so it's easy to lose that. So that's why I recommend just going with a single opt-in and keeping this turned off. And then after that, you just go to the bottom and click Save Subscription Settings, and then hit Cancel. And then there's the list we just made. So that's it. That's all you. And this is a new account that I don't have many subscribers on this, but that's it. That's all you have to do. So guys, if you like, I made this just a short video, but if you like this video, I found it helpful, please like and subscribe. That way you can refer back to it. And also, if you're not signed up for GetResponse, you can get it. They have a free forever account, and they also, when you first sign up, you get a trial, and they give you all the paid features. And later, if you want, you can. If you want more subscribers, then you can go the paid route, but that's totally optional. But it is a free forever account, and you don't need any form of payment. All right, guys, take care, and thanks a lot.